iQoo has announced 3 new smartphones as a part of its 9 series lineup this year. There's the base model called the iQoo 9 SE, the standard model which is the iQoo 9, and the high-end model the iQoo 9 Pro, which is the one that I have for review. Here's a quick first look at what's new. iQoo has continued its partnership with BMW Motorsport, which has lent its racing-inspired legend finish to the iQoo 9 Pro and iQoo 9, similar to the design of the iQoo 7 Legend. There are some minor tweaks. For instance, the overall texture of the back panel appears a bit different thanks to a polished strip running through the otherwise matte surface. The camera module on the 9 Pro literally takes up 1/3 of the back panel but protrudes only slightly. The iQoo 9 Pro has a 6.78-inch curved edge 120Hz AMOLED display with a 2K resolution. It debuts the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC in India, which iQoo claims offers several performance improvements over the Snapdragon 888 SoC. The phone features up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The iQoo 9 Pro has a 4700 mAh battery, wired charging speed has been bumped up to 120 watts, and this phone allows 50-watt wireless charging with the company's own dock that you'll have to buy separately. The smartphone runs FunTouch OS 12, which is based on Android 12. Also upgraded are its cameras. There's now a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and gimbal stabilization, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 16-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The iQoo 9 Pro checks all the boxes when it comes to a premium smartphone in 2022. That should also make it good for gaming. The brand has therefore launched a new iQoo gamepad accessory along with it. If you are interested in this premium device, stay tuned to Gadget 360 for my full review, which will be out soon.